Hey guys, Mr. Gucci here. I'm just going to lead you through today's notes pretty quickly, okay, for those who missed it. Okay, so first of all, your pre-class assignment, I want you to make sure that you grab the Google Classroom app and the Zoom app for your phone. Okay, do that. And when you do the Google Classroom app, make sure you have push notifications unlocked so that if you send a message to me, I get it on my phone immediately. I send you a response, you get it on your phone immediately. So this presentation today was just a quick intro to the class, the schedule, and expectations that I have for you. Of course, this year is going to be weird and it's going to suck in some ways, but it's important to also remember that we're all pretty clueless about this whole thing, so let's try and have some fun with it. Basically, if we're just patient with each other and help each other out the best we can, we're going to have an okay time, I think. This isn't going to be bad, okay? Um, we talked about the schedule today and how that works. Basically, it's pretty complicated. The problem was we created a normal schedule Monday through Friday, 8 periods a day, and that's hard to make that schedule. So by the time we learned that we were going into lockdown, it was too late to change the schedule. We're also keeping a normal kind of schedule in case we do get a chance to go back to normal classes at some point before the end of the year. So the point is that we got ourselves a weird kind of schedule, okay? We take the traditional schedule Monday through Friday and we've turned it into something like this. What's important to know is that I made an assignment for you due Friday, loaded onto Google Classroom in the classwork tab called your calendar schedule. Okay. And if you just fill in what your traditional schedule looks like, your A through E day, then in the other tabs, it will auto fill in your calendar for the rest of the month. Once again, fill in your normal A through E day schedule, and it'll automatically build you a calendar for the next 3 months. Okay, that is your first activity due Friday. Okay. Now, the way our chem schedule is going to work is that you're basically going to see me twice per week. Okay. If you have me in periods 1 through 4, then you're going to see me on Monday and Thursday. If you have me periods 5 or 7, you're going to see me on Tuesday and Friday. Wednesday is a free day where, aside from having to check into advisory, it's just an independent work day all day. You'll also notice that we have a lunch in the middle of the day built into your schedule, but you also had like a fourth, fifth, or sixth period lunch on your schedule. What that means is that your lunch period is essentially a free 80-minute period every day to do whatever you want. And if you also gave up lunch this year to fill in your schedule, you'll still get a lunch period in the middle of the day. So that's not so bad. Okay. I'm going to keep our daily routines pretty tight, pretty consistent. Log in and check up for the first 5 minutes, review homework for 10 minutes, go over new material for like 15, 20 minutes, and I want to dedicate a third to a half of the class on independent work so we're not just staring at the screen the entire time. Then at the end of the period, we reconvene to discuss and answer any more questions that you have. Okay? If you attend Zoom, and I hope you will attend our daily Zoom meetings, um, please be dressed appropriately. If you miss a meeting, just log into Google Classroom and take care of the assignments, particularly the daily attendance assignment. You can still be marked present even if you miss a Zoom. You just have to make sure you complete the daily attendance assignment. All right? You don't have to have your video turned on if you do the Zoom, but if you are, just be wearing an appropriate clothing item and be sitting somewhere. That's all I ask, all right? No zooming from bed, or gentlemen, no zooming without a shirt on, okay? Be patient with each other. We're going to have some technical difficulties that we have to work on. By the way, Zoom, sign in with your real name. All right. If you use a fake name, I won't be able to let you in. I need to know who you are. Okay. So lastly, we answered some questions during this class period. And here is what you have to do. All right. After today, your attendance assignment, which must be completed by midnight, is complete the Google survey that I loaded up on Google Classroom. Okay, complete that survey. Your homework for Friday is fill out your class schedule calendar so that I know that you know what you have to do every day. All right, again, fill out your A through E schedule once and it'll autofill your calendar for the next 3 months. And my time limit's almost up, guys, so good luck. Email me if you have any questions. Thank you.